In this short video, I wanted to take you through a solution to a problem that relates to the difference between real numbers and text numbers. So in column A, these are all real numbers. It's easy to pick up because they're right aligned. We've got two tables on the right of screen, and as you can see, the numbers are left aligned. They've also got this little green triangle in the corner, which is another sort of mark to say that they are treated as text. So when they're left aligned, it's text. So there's two tables, one with leading zeros, one without leading zeros. Now here's the problem. If I try and do a VLOOKUP using this code on this table, extract column 2, exact match, then we see we get NAs there. We get exactly the same result if we try and do it with this code on this table as well. Okay, so that's the problem. We want to look up these entries based on these codes. So we've got to convert these codes into text somehow. And so that's what we're going to do. Okay, time to start the clock. So here we go. This one is reasonably easy. All you do is you use the double quotes, ampersand, join that. Then we can look that up in the column, second column, exact match, and close the bracket, and I'll pause it there. Okay, so actually I'll start it again because I didn't copy it down. Here we go, and pause it there. So there we go. So that is using this one, which is a real number, and extracting from a table that has the text number there. Now this applies to XLOOKUP, which is the brand new version of VLOOKUP. Basically, you've got to match the type. So if this is a text number, then you've got to look up a text number. And the easy way to do that is just to put this double quotes in front of it. The ampersand joins text together, and that's the way you can look up a real number in a table that has a text number. Okay, start the clock. This one's going to be a bit tighter because the formula is a bit longer. So I'll make this in a bit and I'll put that out a bit. And okay, here we go. So this one is trickier. It's VLOOKUP, and it's the text function, and we are looking that up, comma, and we've got 1, 2, 3, 4. And that's what we're looking up in those columns with column 2, comma 0, and double click, copy down, stop. Ooh, we did it. So when you're trying to convert a single digit into, in this case, 4 digits. So these codes are all 4 digits with leading zeros. So the way you do that is you use the text function to convert this number. By putting this into the text, you are basically saying load up the front of the number with zeros if there aren't enough digits. So when you get down to the bottom one here, then it doesn't need any digits, but all of these other ones will have a number of zeros added to the front to make them up to, like if we pick this one, for example, I can show you what this text returns. You can select that part, press F9, and there you can see you get the 00 in front of the 50. When you use that F9 to calculate part of a formula, always need to just click out. So click exit or click escape, or undo if you forget to do it. Okay, so that's how you can convert a real number into a text number to do lookups and things like that. So the easiest way, if it's just a straightforward conversion, is to put the double quotes in front of it. You can even put it after it, so it works on either side. If you do need to put in some leading zeros, then the text function is the easiest way to do that. Hope you found that useful. Thanks for watching.